Okay, this is problem number 14 from section 4.4, applications, otherwise known as the word problems. So this says Diane has 95 cents in dimes and nickels. She has a total of 11 coins. How many of each kind or coin does she have? Okay. So first we have to look at the information. We have dimes and we have nickels. Now remember, all of these deal with two variables, so we're going to set one to equal x and one to equal y. So we're going to say that dimes will equal x and nickels will equal y. So dimes is equal to x and nickels is equal to y. Let me just slide this up. Okay, the next one, it says she has a total of 11 coins. So we can start making our first equation. She has a total of 11 coins, which means that x plus y will be equal to 11. Now the first sentence said that she has 95 cents in dimes and nickels. So that means if I take the total number of dimes and multiply it by the value of dimes, which is 10 cents, 10 cents times x, plus the total value of nickels, which is 5 cents, 0.05 times y, that should equal 95 cents. Alright, so first we're going to clear the decimals. When we clear the decimals, we want to take the largest space after the decimal. So for instance, all of these have two spaces, or two digits after the decimal. And this is what's called the hundredths place. So we're going to multiply this entire equation by 100. So 100 times 0.10 will be equal to 10x. 100 times 0.05, or 5 hundredths, will be equal to 5y. And then 100 times 0.95, or 95 hundredths, is equal to 95. So now we've cleared the fractions, we've gotten that out of the way, and our two equations that we're going to use will be 10x plus 5y equals 95, and x plus y is equal to 11. These will be our two equations that we use to solve this problem. So this problem is best set up for elimination. If you notice, x and y both have only 1 as our coefficient, so it's easy to just match it with the number above, with either 10x or 5y. So since 5 is smaller than 10, I'm going to choose to eliminate y. So to eliminate y, I have to multiply by -5, because you remember we want to multiply by a number that will match the coefficient, and we'll make the signs opposite. So here we're going to multiply the second one by -5. So -5 times x is equal to -5x. -5 times y is equal to -5y. And -5 times 11 is equal to -55. Don't forget to multiply all the way through. So now I can use this to eliminate with the first equation that I had, which was 10x plus 5y is equal to 95. So we were trying to eliminate the y's, so the y's will eliminate. 5y, a -5y and a positive 5y, just cancel the y's out. A positive 10x and a -5x will equal a positive 5x. And then 95 positive and -55, which means we have to subtract. So I'm going to do that here on the side. But remember, it's going to be a positive number because the 95 is the bigger absolute value. So 95 minus 55 will be equal to 40. So now all I have to do is complete this. So I divide by 5 on both sides, and I get x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8, and if you remember from above when we wrote it down, X is equal to dimes, so I should have 8 dimes. So now we're going to plug it into one of our original equations to figure out our y. We have this handy dandy one here. X plus y is equal to 11. So I take x plus y is equal to 11. I figured out that x is equal to 8, so I can substitute the 8 plus y is equal to 11. Subtract 8 from both sides. And I get y is equal to 3. And y would be my nickels. So x is equal to 8. Y is equal to 3. I can do a little check for this word problem. So here I have 8 dimes and 3 nickels, which makes up 11 coins. And then 8 dimes are 10 cents each, and nickels are 5 cents each. So 8 dimes would give me 80 cents, and 3 nickels would give me 15 cents, which leaves me with 95 cents. So my equation works out.